Zucchini can be improved and processed into many delicious dishes in daily meals. Zucchini is very easy to grow. Today, I will take advantage of discarded wood pieces to can zucchini plants easily and effectively. Zucchini contains many antioxidants, helps protect digestive health, can reduce blood sugar, improve cardiovascular health, help improve vision, and improve bone health. From the effects it brings, we should regularly add zucchini to our dishes. First of all, I will tell you a very effective and simple way to propagate zucchini, which is to take seeds directly from old, healthy, disease-free zucchini. We choose a zucchini nursery pot suitable for the number of plants we want to propagate, add soil mixed with vermicompost, and take seeds from ripe zucchini, cover with soil, spray water to keep moist, and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. We should use suitable material to cover the nursery pots to prevent insects and rodents from eating the seeds. While waiting for the seeds to germinate, I will use scrap wood to make planter boxes. I will use a wooden screw in a box of about 2 meters long and 30 centimeters wide to plant with the appropriate distance according to my request. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After preparing all the ingredients, I started pouring soil into the pot to plant the squash. Green manure provides many benefits to plants and soil. It provides nutrients, improves soil structure, increases water and nutrient retention, and stimulates the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil. I choose green manure, which is leaves, vegetables, tubers, and fruits that are spoiled in the kitchen to use. Cut them into small pieces and put them in a box to plant trees, both saving costs and not polluting the environment. I fill the planter box 1/2 full with soil and spread the compost evenly and cover it with a thin layer of soil. As the compost decomposes, it delivers nutrients directly to the plant roots, allowing the plant to absorb the nutrients immediately. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. The germination time of zucchini seeds is very short. After only 7 days, the plants have sprouted and grown healthily. At this time, I can plant them in pots. Zucchini is a short, soft, non-climbing plant. Zucchini leaves are large, heart-shaped, and easily broken when exposed to strong weather or external factors. I would plant each tree 50 centimeters apart to avoid them bumping into each other as they mature, damaging branches and breaking the tree. After planting, we need to water enough for the squash to grow. When the squash plants are 20 days old and tall with healthy leaves, I will care for them so they have enough energy to grow, flower, and fruit later. Vermicompost is rich in nutrients, has high antibacterial properties, is environmentally friendly, and does not harm me and my family, so I often choose vermicompost to fertilize plants. To repel insects and prevent mold on plants, I use 1 crushed garlic clove mixed with water and spray evenly on the plant. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. This stage is very important because the tree is still young and not yet strong. If attacked by pests or mold, the tree will be slow to flower and bear fruit later. "40 days later, the zucchini plant has flowered. Now I will stimulate the flowers to grow big, strong, and produce many fruits." In addition to stimulating flowering, lemon also repels insects and prevents diseases. So I mix lemon juice with water and spray it evenly on the plant. Today I will tell you another little tip in taking care of flower plants, which is pollinating flowers. I use male flowers to pollinate female flowers, helping the flowers to bear more fruit. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Amazing! After 2 months, the zucchini has given me lots of fruit. Now I can trim the leaves and harvest as I like. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.